you're thinking about getting an Andersen series storm door, the 3 or 4000, here's something to consider. The direction that your entry door faces should be of utmost importance. If it faces south or west, you want to watch out for heat buildup, because what will happen if the door is not properly ventilated, the window frame here melted because the sun got so hot. This is the Andersen roll screen door, and you can even see right here everything just tore apart because these pieces are plastic, this piece is plastic, and it will warp and bacon like this if the sun gets too hot and the window is not properly ventilated. So something to keep in mind, if you're getting the Andersen series 3000 or 4000 roll screen door, be very considerate of which way your entry door faces so that it doesn't melt because of the sun's heat.